Yo, what's up? It's your boy Josh. We got your boy
Fox right here.
and together we are Tutu on the beach. Massive shout out going out to everyone in New Zealand who is celebrating Tonga Language Week. Kia ora, malo elele.
Yo, what's up?
And we're gonna deliver the message today of a few Tongan phrases. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for you today. Now I'm gonna hand it over to my boy Nox, who's gonna rip this up for you. Let's go.
Yo, it's your boy Nox with our Tongan phrase number 1. And it goes like this. Aye to atu. For me, one English word that can describe that phrase called amazing. Oh God, amazing. Eh? And you can describe it with anything. You can say it to anything. You can give it as a comment for anything. It can be food, it can be someone, it can be me. That I'm amazing. Just like you look at it, it goes like aye to atu, aye to atu. That's number 1. Next one for today is the different stages of yummy, the yumminess. Oh God. And it goes like this. First one is ifo, that's yummy. Second one is ifo, yamia. And the last one is ifona, the yummiest. That's for you, ladies and gentlemen. When you eat it, ifona. And number 3 for today, to all our Tongan lovers out there, it's a Tongan proverb that says, huo hoko hoka huo. Ishi huo hoko hoka huo. Meaning, stop being lazy. You see someone is lazy, you tell them, hey, stop huo hoko hoka huo. And number 4, for all of you Tongan lovers out there, is one word, but it can mean different meanings. So our word for today is laka. Laka, first meaning is marching. Koe laka whaaofa ai api ako. The schools have a beautiful parade or marching yesterday. The second meaning of laka is when you're on top of someone in some ranking, whatever it is. It can be your school marks, it can be your sports scores or whatever it is, even in the ranking in the community. You see? And the third or the last meaning of laka for today is almost like if I say, Josh, laka mai. That means, Josh, come here. And if I say, Josh, laka ki he, it means, Josh, go over there. That's the 3 meanings of one Tongan word, laka. Much love. And the last one for today, all our Tongan lovers out there, are words that were straight from English Tonganized into Tongan. For example, back in the days in the history, hisitolia. Woohoo! And back in the days, they used to exchange metal with food or water here in Tonga. And what do you call that? They give a spoon. Sepuni. And also, ladies and gentlemen, they walk in those little houses, and that's when you get our too low, because the Palangi was saying too low, because they're walking like this, too low, too low. And the last one, I'm gonna bring it all the way to today's Tonganizing of words, the word ombudsman. Omipatimeni.
Yo, that's us, Tutu on the beach, sending a massive shout out to New Zealand, who's celebrating Tonga Language Week again here in 2021. And us here from the Kingdom of Tonga, we just want to make a massive shout out from the Young Pacific Changemakers. We want to wish you a
Happy Tonga Language Week!
Let's go!